Hello everyone, Michael and Suzy here from Adventurous Real Estate Investors. In this video, we want to introduce the Multifamily Acquisition Checklist mini-series we created to help you successfully take down your next multifamily deal.
We understand that acquiring a multifamily property can be very daunting, not only because you are trusted to preserve your investor's capital, but also because it's a long, arduous process with several steps along the way that can take months.
So whether you are a new or seasoned syndicator, or even a passive investor, the steps to take from the time you are sent a deal through closing and operations are sometimes unknown. With more people becoming interested in investing in real estate, we find it extremely important to create as much awareness as we can around what acquiring a property entails. It comes with great responsibility, and it comes with creating a huge impact in your life and the lives of others.
Each multifamily acquisition is different and will have its own unique process. Therefore, we are always adding or updating this process to create the balance we need for each individual property and business plan. We suggest that you do the same so you can tailor it to your fit. Now go crush your next multifamily acquisition.
If you are excited about this video mini-series, please smash the like button below and subscribe to our channel here. Until next time, explore more, adventure awaits.